I went to Facebook straight out of school. At most companies, you apply for a team. You say, I'm going to go work on the Google search team, or I'm going to go work on the AWS Lambda team. At Facebook back then, you were just hired in as a generalist, and then you were matched to a team after you joined. And the process for doing that was called Bootcamp, and it was a simultaneous training process and team matching process. So you go in, you spend 6 weeks working on a bunch of different things. You have a mentor, and they assign you a variety of work from across the company. And then you pick your team to join based on the types of stuff that you like to do. And so I had graduated with a master's in CS focusing on distributed systems. So building like large back-end systems, databases, all that big data stuff that was really trendy back then. And during Bootcamp, I was assigned a task on the photos team to, it was basically around embeddable comments on blogs. So back then you can embed Facebook comments in your blog. And so I had written some change to that, and I had pushed it out as part of the regular weekly release. And an hour after it goes live, there's this like article on TechCrunch that is like, Facebook spammed us with like millions of notifications. And it was a screenshot of Michael Arrington, the guy that started TechCrunch, and his like Facebook widget had like 1,000 notifications or something. And I had pushed a bug in the system that sent way too many notifications to people. And I was like, 2 weeks into my career or something. And that was actually really fun. I didn't get in trouble. I was able to like roll it back and fix it like pretty quickly. But I was like, wow, like I'm like, 23 years old, and I'm like getting written up, and not necessarily for a good thing, but at least like you felt like, wow, I can like impact the world. That's kind of cool.